This is the Senna obtusifolia, also commonly known as sickle pod or coffee senna. It is a plant in the genus Senna and the family Fabaceae. Legume family. Characteristics. Growth habit. It's typically an erect, somewhat branched, herbaceous plant or small shrub, growing up to 1 to 2 meters tall. Leaves. Leaves are compound and pinnate, usually with 3 pairs of obovate leaflets widest near the top. A prominent, often reddish-black, rod-shaped gland is located on the leaf rachis between the lowest pair of leaflets. Flowers. Features yellow flowers that bloom in the late summer and fall, often in pairs from the upper leaf axils. Fruit. Distinctive, slender, strongly curved pods resembling a sickle that follow the flowers, containing dark brown, shiny seeds. Traditional uses and medicinal properties. Caution advised. Consult a healthcare professional before use. Constipation relief, traditionally used as a laxative, with active compounds senicides that stimulate bowel movements. Other uses. Historically, various parts of the plant have been used for conditions like skin infections, liver and urinary tract diseases, fevers, and as a coffee substitute. Seeds. The leaves can be fermented to produce kawal, a high-protein food in some cultures. Ecology and distribution. It is a pantropical weed, native to the Americas but widely introduced and naturalized in many parts of the world, including Africa and Asia. It thrives in disturbed areas like roadsides, pastures, and waste areas. Caution. While parts of the plant have been used medicinally and as food, the seeds contain toxic anthraquinones that can be harmful if consumed, especially by children, and can also contaminate agricultural products like soybeans. What are the uses and health benefits of coffee senna? Watch out for our next video.